In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and use custom mouse cursor in Windows 11. So for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and open Google, and here I want you to go ahead and type Open Cursor Library. So you can just go ahead and click this one right here, and you'll see a lot of cursors available for you. So what we are going to do here is just simply try to look for some cursor designs that we are going to like. So I'm just going to try to look for something that is not common, something that you can easily identify. For example, I'm going to proceed with this one right here. So I'm going to click it. And yeah, you can download everything here, but personally I like to download, just some of them. So for example, I'm gonna try, okay, this one right here. I'm going to click it and I'm going to go ahead and download it. All right, so yep. All right, so there you go, you're seeing it here. Now we're going to go ahead and open our system. So what we are going to look for is mouse settings. I want you to go ahead and click it. Now that we are here, I want you to go ahead and click for additional mouse settings. And from here, going to click pointers. Now there are a lot here that you can replace, so I'm gonna try this one. For example, I'm going to hit the browse button in here and I'm going to go ahead and simply look for it. So mine, I think, was in the downloads folder, this new folder right here. So it's going to be this one. I'm going to open it and you can see that now it is here. So I'm going to hit apply, and as you can see, it has changed. So yep, that is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.